Okay, so I came back out. It's now Monday morning. And this was not working. But I just got it to click a second ago. Like... And now it fired right up. And then proceeded to die. And now we have nothing. Gary, there's something up with this switch, buddy. Wow. There's definitely an electrical issue here. Fun! Alright, so Scotty and I have opened the hood just to check everything under the hood, even though we're pretty sure it's an ignition switch.
Yep.
Because once you get out of start, it shuts off. So it's either got bad contact, bad hookup in there, or what have you. But if you remember, this thing got hot on me just test driving it. It sucked down all the water there. And we're full here. So... Thanks, Scotty. We're in the middle of a video. We're only in the middle of a video, but that's okay.
You're a big boy. I haven't even worked on this one yet. For this.
I know, but we were going over this stuff, but it's whatever. So yeah, that was full at least.
Okay.
But it sucked it all the way down. So, but we saw it the other day. It puked a little bit.
Yeah, it got bad.
All right, we got to deal with that. So, fun. So I'm assuming ignition switch for sure, but I will crawl under the dash and finalize. What are you thinking?
I kind of agree. I mean, I watched what you were doing, and it's like, it's turning off immediately. I mean, it's showing all signs of a bad ignition switch. Yeah. It really is.
Because when it's in start, it fires up because it has separate power.
Yep.
For the coil. So, fun.
Yay.
These cars are always fun, Scotty.
Oh, of course.
Scotty, why do we have... Oh, fuck, I forgot about your back. I'm sorry. Scotty's got a sunburn, and I keep forgetting about it, and I keep patting him on the back because, you know, he does a good job.
I do what I can.
But now I'm just going to hit him for abuse purposes because it's fun. He's into that kind of thing.
Oh, by the way, we found something to hold your nuts.
Oh, you bitch. Oh, did we mention that we opened the hood and two of the letters went flying off?
Yeah, I got to try and find a way to fix that.
Oh, my God. Gary. We
love the car. You. I love the. He's an amazing man. He really is.
We love Gary.
But
we love
we've got to spend some time on the
details
stuff.
That have been way overlooked.
Yeah.
But we have to get it to operate properly again and not vomit profusely.
Yeah.
So, and that was with the air off.
Yeah.
I turned it on to make sure it worked. It was working. It was cycling. Cool. Turned it back off. And I drove it with it off, and it went... And it wasn't even that hot.
And she's going to get a bath today and get cleaned up and all nice and pretty shiny.
You need a bath.
We'll make her No, I washed last week.
Okay. Oh, Scotty.
We'll make her purty.
We got to make something pretty around here because, you know, you and I ain't getting it.
I know, right?
Oh, my God.